In this video, let's see what's inside this Chinese, no major brand laptop battery. It's saying Dynapack International Technology Corporation. I haven't heard about it there anything. The battery is rated at 11.1 volts and 4.8 amp hours. So it is consisted of two cells, so each cell should be based on the rating here 2.4 amp hours. But let's see what's inside. From what I can read here, it says LBPFK47. LBPK47. These are Sanyo cells, as it looks like. Let's open another one. Finally, it gave up. So the cells here are again Sanyo. Come on, focus. Focus. It doesn't want to focus. It's written LBMFK47. But I think it's the same, they are the same cells. Let's open the other one, the last one. Okay, I finally managed to open the cell. It's again Sanyo cell, the same cells, LBPFK47. There's another number here, but I think that's the serial number of the battery. It is written here Sanyo on the plastic cover. So pretty much that's it. You can find Sanyo cells in this Dynapack International Technology Corporation ID6 model cells.